Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. Alright, so on the weekly chart, you can see that we are at the key resistance level. This week we start off the weekly chart because of a very important structure over here. You can see that the candlesticks failed to break and close above the high. This is something that you can look into. And for trend traders, well, this is still a bearish trend on a higher time frame. So I leave that to you if you are looking for a shorting opportunity, that means trend trading, or buying opportunity on a counter trend trading. Alright, so down to the daily chart, what we see over here is a potential double top, and we have a RSI divergence. So with this kind of formation, it's really great for bond counter trend traders to hit in for a shorting opportunity. And of course, I did say that on a higher time frame, it's trend trading if you're looking for short, but based off the daily chart, right now on the daily chart is bullish, so something to really think about. And of course, I'm not letting go this opportunity because I am a bond counter trend traders. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we see, a zoom in version of the daily chart, and to the 1-hour chart, this is what we got. If you're trained harmonic pattern traders, you might be able to see and spot some of the potential harmonic trading setup. Scan this QR code, you will be invited to our Discord channel. And it's our one-stop service for you to access to all of our social media. I do understand that when today there are so many social medias, it's really hard for you to keep track of all if you're following anyone else on the social media, correct? So we are going to put all those important stuff in Discord channel, and based on your membership with us, and you'll grant different kind of access. All right, so if you scan this QR code, it'll bring you to our Discord channel. Once you join the Discord channel, you will join our welcome page, which is a traders cafe, known as traders cafe. More rules and engagements or stuff like that will be posted on the traders cafe, and right now you can interact within the traders cafe, which means you can talk about things about off topic. The only things that we discourage you to do so is any promotion, any soliciting, any ads, and stuff like that. All right, so on top of the Discord channel, you'll get this invitation link that's pinned to the top to our students community, and you can redeem your free course over there. All right, we figure out it's clearer and better for us to support you from Discord because it's a one place you access to everything. Unlike Telegram, I have to create like different channel for different purposes, and to some of you it might be too much channel to follow through, and in Discord you just have to follow our server. All right, and if you scroll down further, you can see some of our trading ideas. It has been quite a quiet trading weeks, and of course if you are in our Discord channel, you'll know what kind of trades I'm looking at, and from there you can develop your own trading strategies. All right, how cool is that? All right, and I want to bring your attention to our second targets is often 2:1 or more than 2:1, which means our traders over here just need a 40% accuracy to be profitable. That also means there's no need for you to stick in front of computer and to look at every move. That's not how we do it. We find that we are attracted to trading because of freedom of time. We don't want to end up just sitting in front of a computer whole day long, correct? So let's head back to our daily chart, and let me share with you my analysis, or in fact weekly chart, my analysis for this week. So over here we are still in the key resistance area. As I've mentioned, the candlesticks didn't break and close above this high at 1.0480 based off the weekly chart, so the weekly resistance still stands. Down to the daily chart, what you see over here, this is also the candle we are looking at, the same price of the high price based off the daily chart, which means as long as it didn't break and close above this high, you will still have this key resistance level respected. And take note that the definition is pretty much based off the weekly chart, and of course if you want to bring the analysis to daily chart, well, it really depends on which day it closes. If it closes on Friday, from where I am at in Friday, basically in the past the midnight, which means Saturday morning 6 a.m. right now because daylight saving, right, is the close of the candle. All right, so as long as it can touch the bearish crab pattern but it just doesn't close before Friday above this high, we are good on a higher time frame. So at this moment, I'm looking for any shorting opportunity to go for a mid to long term trading strategy over here. So if we voice down or head down to the daily chart, this is one of the possibility for me to head in for a shorting opportunity to get a more precise price to engage once the market open. So what I can basically do is to pull out a line, draw a line, and make sure it's dotted line, only visible on the 4-hour chart, because I don't want it to all over the place, correct? Because you can't do this in MetaTrader, but I can do this over here. And once I have that, I can add these alert over here, and I can pretty much use the syntax that will trigger the alert, where students in the Discord channel will receive this. And I have already wrote a extended long list that I'm looking at, and this kind of symbol, what does it mean and stuff like that. They have full access to it. All right, so over here, what you can have is once this is triggered, if you are my students, then you will receive this alert. We are watching closely if you are going to use this, because last week, to be honest, I missed a few alerts because of this setup. If I send it straight to my mobile phone, I have not missed any of such to this moment, but I think there are some bugs along the way. I don't know, is it TradingView or is it Discord? Is it a webhook? I'll observe a bit. All right, so if I am missing out too much of those trading alerts, I think you will agree that I'll revert back to the past and the usual. And one of the things I can do is I'll just copy and paste what I'm looking at what level you set an alert on your end. Okay, 1-hour chart. Well, I do understand that I'm looking overall for a shorting opportunity. However, if the market came back down on a lower time frame, 1-hour chart 1.0320, I can wait for a godly pattern confirmation. I just need a 3-bar reversal to engage a trade. I can be bearish on the long term, mid to long term, but I still can be a bit bullish to trade the retracement leg on the lower time frame. All right, let's see. Nothing much on the 15 minutes. For this week analysis, I'll have a pick on 15 minutes analysis, because there are some trading setups over there as well. All right, that's pretty much I have for you today. If you are like so tired of working day in and out, you want to reduce your work time, well, one of the way is to get into trading and to get coached by someone that know what is important, and you only learn those things that matters. All right, so you're able to equip yourself with entire skills within a day, and every day. Therefore, onwards, you just need 15 minutes a day. You use your smart devices to send you those alerts. That's why you don't need to sit in front of a computer. All right, if this sounds interesting to you, drop me a note. We'll see if you're a good fit. This way, I'm going to go into this area as well. I'm going to automate some parts, so you can answer some questionnaire, and we'll get back to you from there. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade plan. Take care.